When you've lost a loved one and it's the worst time of your life, that is when you realize that they needed life insurance. When you're stuck trying to make ends meet to pay for the funeral and the burial costs, trying to pay for all the leftover bills, it's hard because they didn't have the insurance. A common myth everyone believes is that they cannot afford it because the premiums are so high and some people just don't think they need it. Well, I'm here to tell you that's not the case, and with Transamerica, it's very affordable. Life insurance is something that's been around forever, but people don't think they can afford. Today I'm going to talk to you about what exactly life insurance is, the specific life insurance policies that we have with Transamerica and what all they entail, and then finally why my company, Transamerica, is one of the better, if not best options for life insurance. The first thing you all need to know is what exactly life insurance is and who needs it. Life insurance is basically a sum of money that is paid out after the death of an insured person or after a set period of time. If you have anyone that relies on you financially, such as children or family members, then you are a great candidate for life insurance. Life insurance is not used or intended to place a monetary value on a person after death. It is a way to help avoid the inevitable financial situations and struggles that arise after the loss. When it comes to life insurance, there are 4 vital roles. The insurer, which is the insurance company who pays out the money or the premium at the time of death. The owner or the insured, which is the person the policy is for or whoever's paying the premiums for the policy. And then finally, the beneficiary. This is the person who receives the claims after the owner or issued person's death. Life insurance is more of a risk management tool than anything, and it's there to just help you in that inevitable time. There's 2 varieties of life insurance. Term life, which is based on the probability that the insured person will die within a set time frame, 10, 20, 30 years, in that range. Or there's permanent life, which has the same probability of death calculus, but also includes a savings mechanism. This mechanism, which is often referred to as cash value, is designed to help the policy exist in perpetuity. Now that we've discussed what life insurance is and who needs it, let's talk about the specific life insurance plans that we have with Transamerica. The first policy is Term Life, which can be broken down into Trendsetter Super Series and Trendsetter LB. The Trendsetter Super Series is term life insurance policy that provides up to $1 million in coverage. The amount of coverage that you ultimately select is guaranteed to remain the same throughout the entire initial term period. At the end of the term, you may be able to convert the policy to a universal life insurance policy without having to undergo additional medical exams based on health questions or other applications. The Trendsetter LB policy, the Trendsetter LB policy offers death benefit protection up to $1 million, but also provides living benefits. These provide you with the option to receive an accelerated death benefit in the event of qualifying chronic, critical, or terminal illness that may arise. The second policy available is whole life insurance. Whole life insurance provides permanent protection for life as long as premiums are paid, in addition to guaranteed cash value that you can access through a loan, and so that way your loved ones are guaranteed to receive the death benefit. You should expect to pay a higher premium with this one, you should expect to pay a higher premium than you would with a regular life term policy, but it will remain the same throughout your lifetime. Third available life insurance policy is universal life insurance. This one allows for flexibility. It allows policy owners to modify the amount and frequency of premium payments as long as there is sufficient cash value at the time of death or at the time of deductions. When the insurer dies, a guaranteed amount of money or death benefit is left to the named beneficiaries. In addition to the death benefit, universal life insurance also contains cash value. It grows tax-deferred until funds are withdrawn. The fourth available life insurance policy is variable universal life insurance. This is a form of permanent life insurance that provides death protection. In addition to a death benefit, there's also a cash value portion of the policy, which you can invest and grow and create more wealth. The exposure to underlying investments such as stocks and bonds offer the opportunity for cash value to accumulate. Keep in mind that this policy owner bears the investment risk for the investment options, include the possible loss of principal. It's similar to universal life variable insurance, allowing policyholders to adjust premium payments or death benefits as needed in order to meet their changing circumstances. There are fees and charges associated with this, but they're not applicable to other types of policies. The fifth policy is accidental death. Accidental death insurance provides a death benefit, which is the amount paid to your beneficiary if you're killed in a covered accident, such as a car accident or anything such as that. The benefit is payable regardless of your other insurance coverages. It also provides coverage if you are left with or if you have an accident and you're left without vision, hearing, or limb. The good thing about accidental death is that anyone can purchase it from Transamerica. You don't have to have a medical exam or an evaluation, and you can purchase accidental death insurance on its own. You don't have to have another policy, which is a good thing. And the final plan that we have is Final Expense Life. It can save families from having to withdraw from their savings or sell things that are very close to their heart when it's time to come up with necessary funds for a burial. And now that we have talked about all the different life insurance plans Transamerica has, I want to talk to you about why it is one of the best companies to get life insurance from. Transamerica is one of the companies who works fast and diligently to issue your checks at the time of death. We know that it doesn't take 3 to 4 months to bury a loved one. It's a matter of a week or two. And we know that you will need that money in a fast, diligent way, so that is our goal, to get it to you as soon as possible. There are numerous policies with a lot of options to suit whatever insurance type you need in life. If you decide at 25 years old that you just want to get accidental death because you just like to have fun and do things that have the potential to hurt you, then you can do that. If you're 75 and decide that you now need just the life insurance and you're thinking in 10 years you don't want to have to put that burden on your loved one to pay for everything, then we have that as well. And the good thing about Transamerica is that we always have a claim adjuster or a person who can help you at all times, no matter day or night, whatever hour it is or wherever you are, we're always here to help. And another thing is that we have some of the better premiums. Yes, it is still costly for life insurance, but compared to other companies, we do have lower rates and we work with you. Today we've just discussed what life insurance is and all the benefits of it. From there on, we went in detail about our company and all the different life insurance plans and opportunities that you can have by getting insurance with us at Transamerica. And finally, we talked about why our company is a better option. Thank you for listening to my speech about Transamerica, and I hope you all have a good day.